In this video, I'm going to show you how to use AI to help you prospect and recruit more people without having to talk to your friends and family. This is the strategy that I'm currently using right now, and I'm using AI as like a catalyst, as like gasoline on fire to help me grow even faster. Over the last few years, I've been able to attract over 6,000 people to my network marketing opportunity using automations and tools like this. And then AI on top of it is just making things go even faster, and it's amazing. So I'm going to teach you what I'm doing right now. You've probably been trying to use some AI with like ChatGPT or some other tools, and AI just seems to be everywhere. And the problem I'm seeing out there with network marketers is they're using AI in the wrong way. They're actually using AI and it's repelling people, even though you may feel like you may be doing some cool stuff, or it's giving you some kind of cool like tips and tricks or some kind of scripts, or like DMing people for you or using some kind of automations. Just because you're using those tools doesn't mean it's going to actually work for you, and it's actually repelling a lot of people, what I'm seeing. The biggest reason why I feel like AI is causing network marketers to fail faster and repel people is because it's making the network marketers not as authentic as they could be. They're like using AI as a front, right? Like even making like their own clones of themselves or even just doodles and stuff. And it's causing people to disconnect from the network marketer. And so for me, I'm actually trying to flip this on the head. I'm trying to be more involved. I'm trying to be more human instead of being more AI driven. Even though I am using AI, but people will likely not realize that I'm using AI. So let me show you what I mean. People buy because they know you, they like you, and they trust you. And most network marketers, they're using AI to get people to know them, like spraying out posts or spraying out DMs or doing like these things or auto-friending people and things like that. And that can get you known, but it really leaves off these other two things of you need to be known, you need to be liked, and you need to be trusted as an authority to solve people's problems. AI is making it so people know you, but it's actually reversing them liking you and reversing people trusting you. And so this is the question I have, is like, how can we use AI to get people to not just know us more, but to like us more and to trust us to buy our products and services to solve their problems? So here's 3 things that you can do that I'm using to help me recruit and be more authentic, to get people to know me and like me and trust me enough to buy my products and services. Number 1 is stop DMing people. Even though you may have this script that AI created for you, don't just copy and paste it and DM people or use that script as a way to feel like you're going to be able to convince people to buy your products and services. Okay, a lot of times people can tell now, they're getting more and more savvy. They can tell that this was written by AI, or this doesn't sound like you. This just doesn't, the vibe is off, right? When you can see. And sometimes people are just blatantly like copy and pasting. They copy over like the brackets. They don't even like replace the time or replace a certain word. They just are copying and pasting, and they're hoping that it's going to work. And I'm like, there's no way that this is working for you. So that's the number 1 thing, is stop just copy pasting messages and DMing people cold, or DMing people or auto-friending people, strangers. Number 2, what I recommend you do instead is use AI as like a back office tool and use it for a research assistant. Okay, and go to ChatGPT and say, hey, you're my research assistant. I want to find people that are interested in buying my product and my service. Who would be the best type of person to buy my product and service? Okay, if you're not really familiar with who you should be reaching out to, use AI to help you understand the person, understand their pain points, their fears, their problems, their challenges, their goals, their struggles, their addictions. Your goal with AI is to help you understand your perfect customer even better than that perfect customer knows themselves. Okay? The reason why this is so powerful, because not only will you be able to people know you, but they will like you because they feel like they feel like you know them better than they know themselves. People like people that are like them. Have you ever been talking to someone and you're like, this person's okay, but as soon as they may mention something that you have a connection with, like say you like to go running, they also like to do running, you're like, oh, I love running, tell me, when was your last race, or when were you running, or what are you training for? And now you have this connection because you're like, oh, this person understands me, they understand my problems and the fears and challenge. It's almost like they just instantly feel like they understand you because you connected with them. Even though you may not have said, oh, I know what it's like to be a runner and have joint pain and this and that and soreness and whatever and time to be able to run, you can connect with people in that way. So use AI to help you understand people. By the way, if you want to learn how to do this, I have a 14-day AI challenge down below. It gives you very simple instructions every single day of what you can do, what tools you can be using for AI. I give you prompts that you can use inside of ChatGPT. As well as part of the 14-day challenge, you get a free coaching call with me so I can really help you dive deeper into what you can build with AI to help you prospect and recruit and use automations. So everything of that is down below. Check out the 14-day challenge. So number 3 thing that I recommend is use AI to help you come up with content to create. And specifically, I recommend making video content that is of your face, right? Because people need to know about you, and you can use content to get to know them, but they will only trust you if they can see you and they are authentic. You're being authentic with them. And video is the best way to build that credibility, that trust, the authority. And that's what people need. They need to know, like, and trust you. So use AI to help you come up with content. The way you want to do this is just build off of that perfect customer. After you find out who it is that you want to start targeting, the perfect person that's going to buy your product and service, you can then create content that's designed for that person. Because the cool thing about the algorithms right now, because the algorithms are built on AI now, they understand people better than people understand themselves. They know as soon as you start looking up something, whether it's on a topic of fitness or health or relationships, it's going to send you more content like that. It's going to send you more information like that. We've all been a part of that, where you look up something and you see ads around that thing. You can capitalize on that. When people are starting to look up, how can I get fit? How can I get stronger? How can I improve my life in this way? You can make content that is similar to that, and the algorithm will be like, hey, this person's looking for it, this person's making the content, I'm going to match these people up. Like, the social media is now just like a giant matchmaking game of matching content to people that want to consume that content. And you'll be able to be that content. And when you make content that's going to solve people's problems and teach them about ways to solve their problems, and then you offer resources to solve their problems, people will know you, they will like you, and they will trust you, and they will buy from you. Okay? If you want to learn how to do this and you want me to help you along the way, come join the 14-day AI recruiting challenge. It's specifically designed for network marketers that want to learn how to build and prospect online, get sales in an automated way, and use AI in an authentic way, so you're not repelling people and you can actually feel good about what you're doing. So come and join that. I'll see you on the inside.